Hello Earthlings! So I'm here again today to unbox naman ng package from Pha-Max. Thank you Pha-Max. So, Pha-Max, their products are wheatgrass. So, yun. Pinadala nila ako ng package and they included me in their online ambassadors program. So, I'm one of their online ambassadors. Joke lang. Anyway, yun. Because ginawa nila akong ambassador, they sent all their products to me. And then you can also avail of 10% discount when you purchase their products. Yung products nila, if you want to purchase wheatgrass, just input my code, Earthling, on the link below. I'll put where you can buy, or visit Wheatgrass Can and the Lasa store. Anyway, so back to unboxing and show you what these are. So, wheatgrass, akala ko dati ang wheatgrass bakla. Anyway, I've been drinking the wheatgrass. Ito. Pha-Max Wheatgrass honey for how many days na ba? I don't know, 1 week na yata. Anyway, nagpadala sila sa akin na itong package nila, yung buong product line nila na meron sila. So, I want to show you isa-isa. Okay. So, they have this Pha-Max Wheatgrass honey. Ito yung tinitake ko na to ng mga ilang araw na ba. This box has 20 pieces. Now, 15 ml? 15 sachets. 20 grams. 20 grams na 15 sachets. Yan. And, I take this every morning before I eat anything or even drink my coffee. At hindi siya, akala ng marami ang wheatgrass mapakla. But it's not. Yung usok-usok kung nakikita nyo is the powder. Ayan. At madali siyang madissolve sa water, cold water. Basta anything nating below 30 C. Dali na siya na-dissolve. And dissolve it in 200 ml water. Gusto ko tunaw siya para makuha mo lahat ng nutrients. Sabi dito, ang isang wheatgrass drink or even the supplement is equal to 10 kilograms of garden vegetables. Pero mo yun, kung di ka masyado mahilig sa vegetables, di ka kumakain ng gulay, ayaw mo ng gulay, inom ka na ng wheatgrass. Ayan. Mas maganda yun yan. All the way down. Consume mo agad after na timpla. And then, dami nagtatanong, anong lasa niya? Lasa siyang malabnaw na matcha tea. Walang milk na matcha tea. Tapos, amoy din siya na matcha. Ay, lasang matcha. But this is because ito yung may honey. Ayan. And then, meron din silang Pha-Max lemon. Ayan. Hindi ko pa natitry. Ito ay merong 25 sachets, 5 grams. Bukas yung titikman. Lemon. Ayan. Parang siyang tea. And then, ito yung wheatgrass na herbal drink. Ito yung original na walang lemon or honey. And isang box ay may 30 sachet. Ito yung walang halo. Ito yung original. Sandali lang. Ayan. Nahirapan ako. Ayan, ganyan. Pero siyang tsaa-tsaa. Tapos meron sila din na available yung mga, if you want to try it lang, mga value pack. Yan. You can get that on Lazada. I will put the link below kung paano nyo siya makukuha. And use my code Earthlings para meron kayong 10% discount on all these products when you buy it using my code Earthlings, okay? I will put the link below where you can buy. Available siya sa Lazada and also sa Wheatgrass Can. Wheatgrasscan.com there. Yan, meron ding small pack, mga value pack for the flavors na na-mention ko. Ayan. And then meron din ito, ayan. 5. Buy 5, get 1 free packs nung lemon. Excuse me, nag-burp ng lemon. Yan. And then meron din silang pills. This is the Wheatgrass Plus. Ayan. Hindi ko pa natatry. Go try soon. At saka Wheatgrass Tab. Ayan. This is more potent than the drink. Kasi ano to eh. Concentrated and then pills, you just take it. So, pag naubos ko na tong isang box, I'll open one of these. And I will update you. Just follow my Instagram and my Facebook page. Link below, and also there, flashing my Facebook page and my Instagram. And I will tell you how these things taste like and what it does for me. Ayan. And also they sent an alcohol and hand wash. And this is surgical mask. So I should always be healthy, drinking my wheatgrass, stay healthy, and ayun, eat my vegetable. If I don't eat vegetable, kasi nga hindi nga ako makakain ng vegetable, hindi ako makapamalengke. Eh, hindi naman maganda mag-store ng vegetable na matagal. Mga dito sa Philippines, yung mga vegetable natin, hindi masyadong maganda. Like, 3 days lang siya, nabubulok na siya, madaling masira. So, hindi advisable na mag-imbak tayo ng gulay. So, if you can't eat gulay, you just drink gulay. And itong wheatgrass, perfect drink or pills, tablets that you can take kapalit ng gulay. Kung wala kayong nakitang gulay, mabila ng gulay, or yun nga, kasi nga, dahil mabulok ng mga gulay, inom na lang tayo ng gulay. Kasi nga, equal siya sa 10 kilos of vegetable. O, imagine mo yan. 10 kilos na kakain ka ng 10 kilos na. Kailangan mo try makakain ng 10 kilos na gulay. I think never pa in your entire life. So, yun. Dahil ako rin, hindi na ako nakakain ng gulay. Hindi na ako nakakain ng gulay. So, buti na lang. Meron akong ganito. Thank you so much, Easy Pha-Max, for sending me this wheatgrass package. And don't forget to subscribe and comment. Subscribe to my channel. And also, use Earthling when you want to buy these products from Lazada or Wheatgrass can. But I will put the link below also para mas madali nyo ma-access. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Stay gorgeous, everyone. Bye.